Why is real estate an amazing and terrible investment at the same time? Wait, what are you talking about, Jim? Haven't you said in other videos that real estate investing is the best thing that you can do for retirement? Now you're saying that it's not? All right, so let me explain. On paper, it is the best investment. Let's think about this. When it comes to retirement, wouldn't it be great to have passive income that covers all of your expenses, to be financially free? You have a long-term appreciation. It's an amazing hedge against inflation, and single-family residential real estate values don't go to zero. We all have to live somewhere, and it's not as volatile as the stock market. So on paper, there isn't a better investment. All right, so what's the catch? Why is it terrible for retirement at the same time? So the majority of people do it the wrong way. They fall in love with all the benefits, and then they go out and they try and do it themselves. They quickly realize that being a real estate investor and being a landlord is starting a new business. It's creating another job that most don't have the time or the skills to be able to do professional. And so there's nothing passive about it. It's much more analogous to building a recurring revenue business model than it is to building passive income to set yourself up for retirement if you're actively doing it. And to really drive returns on real estate, you have to find the deal. You have to negotiate it. You have to work with contractors. You have to find tenants. You have to find and manage the property manager. If you're deciding to do that, you have to plunge toilets or have someone plunge them for you, etc. And how well each step is done in the process drives the returns. Each step needs to be executed at a high level to generate what those expected returns on paper were. So how do we have our cake and eat it too? How do we get all the amazing things about real estate investing for our retirement without doing any of the work? The answer is you learn how to become a passive investor that invests into real estate funds. And the real estate fund is operated by a real estate team that manages and does an investment strategy professionally, and they do all the work for you so that you don't have to. So learning how to invest into real estate funds can feel a little bit daunting at first. It's kind of hard to know where to start. So that's why I've created a 100% free course called Passive Profits. And it's a step-by-step guide to your first real estate fund investment. It's available on our website. If you go to jimmanning.com, it will forward you to the Passive Wealth Show. And that course and a couple other great resources I have are all available for free on our website. So I spent a tremendous amount of time on this course, and I wanted to make it so valuable that I could charge thousands of dollars for it. I personally have invested in courses over $20,000. And I believe the content in this course is more valuable than that. I also it's one of a kind. I haven't seen anything else out there quite like that. So I'm making it available for free because my business model isn't to make money selling courses. I'm a real estate fund manager. And if I can provide you value and build trust with you, should I have the opportunity to bring on new investors, I'd like a list of people to be able to contact first. Depending on when you're taking the course, we may or may not have opportunities available, but the way I see it, if I can provide value, maybe you can go out and invest into other opportunities, or if the timing's right, maybe it aligns and we can talk more about some opportunities that we have available. But I'd first like to build some trust and be a valuable resource for you on what the best way you invest is. So once again, go to jimmanning.com, check out a lot of our great free resources that I probably should be charging for, but I'm not. Thanks a lot.